The first step for a chat is to list the friends, or list the people that we can chat with. I'll open the PD dashboard element, and in the properties of our page, add an array that will include our friends. Also, we'll add an Iron Ajax element that has the details needed to make a request to the server to obtain the data of our friends. The URL is localhost 5000/friends. It is a GET request, and once the data is received, we'll call the getFriends callback method. We'll need also our profile information, so I'll add another Iron Ajax request. The Iron Ajax element has an attribute for auto, which means that it will trigger a request automatically once the element is loaded. And once we have the response, it will call the getProfile callback method. Let me copy the URL of the request and make the request from our browser to see what data will return. From this request, we'll need the username so we can use it for our second request. The second request will call the localhost 5000 friends URL and add as a parameter the username retrieved from the previous request, which is Bill. So once we call the URL, you can see the friends of the user Bill. Time to do this in our code. I'll first create a method for my callback and grab the username from that response. Then, we'll call the getFriends method, where it will set up the username parameter in my request and trigger the getFriends request. Last, for my callback, I'll set the friends property to the array of friends from the response, and for each of those items set a URL parameter. To show the friends loaded in the right drawer, I'll create a template repeat element in the right menu section and add a PDList item element for each item in the loop by adding the URL attribute with the URL parameter set and the name of my friend. After reloading the page, you can see the friends of the user appearing on the right of the page. If I click on one of them, nothing happens as we haven't created the thread page yet. We'll create that chat page in the next video.